Hey friends, it's been a while since I uploaded part 1 of my greenhouse build. If you need a refresher or haven't already seen that video, I highly recommend you give it a watch. I'll link it in the description box below. In it, I laid a brick foundation, assembled the greenhouse framework, and landscaped the surrounding area with some gravel. I also share some helpful tips and things you may need to think about to help you create a plan before you start to build your very own greenhouse. If you're planning to build a greenhouse, one of the most important decisions you'll have to make will be deciding between glass or polycarbonate. Consider these 3 factors: aesthetics, local climate, and what you are trying to grow. Here, I'm just taking some measurements to give to my local glass company. I need 33 custom-cut windows to complete this project. I decided to go with tempered glass because it's 4 times stronger than regular glass. I made this decision mostly because I live in an area where the winds can blow up to 50 to 80 miles per hour. It usually starts around the end of October and ends sometime in March. There are definitely other alternatives to glass like polycarbonate or acrylic, but it really depends on your needs and where you live, so one might be preferred over the other. Polycarbonate is a type of plastic made with synthetic resin. It's almost as transparent as glass, and it's available in single, double, and triple walled panels. Polycarbonate is stronger than glass and is shatter resistant, being able to withstand impacts from hazardous weather. However, it is prone to scratching, which is difficult to repair. Polycarbonate also has the ability to hold heat in much longer than glass can. Glass tends to let the heat dissipate a bit quicker, so if heat retention is a major concern, you may really want to consider multi-walled polycarbonate panels. Since I'm not growing on a large commercial scale, or don't live in an extreme climate, I chose to use tempered glass for my greenhouse. While polycarbonate might be better at insulating, glass is just far more superior than polycarbonate when it comes to visual purposes and clarity, which is what I'm going for here. However, because it's so clear, it doesn't diffuse light and provides no protection from the sun. Since I'll be growing tropical houseplants, I'll have to put up a shade cloth to prevent them from burning. Considering the investment over time, polycarbonate has a fairly short lifespan of about 10 to 15 years, which will require more frequent replacements that will add up to higher costs, whereas glass can last for 30 to 50 years if well maintained and cared for. It may seem like a great idea to buy materials that are cheaper upfront, but when you find yourself repairing and replacing parts every few years, the cost quickly adds up to more than what could have been invested into quality materials to begin with. At the end of the day though, both have their range of pros and cons, so whichever material you decide to go with, I am confident you'll enjoy watching your plants grow in your greenhouse.